In this video, you will learn top coins to buy on spot right now for hodl for 2, 3, 500% uprise. And we're starting right now. Friends, my name is Yuri. Top trading you offer, recommend you to push like follow because you will get a lot of lessons about trading on this YouTube channel. Let's start. What I will do in this analysis, first part will be about Bitcoin. I will explain to you why I think that Bitcoin with huge possibility have big chance to rise up even up to 80,000. Because of that, with huge possibility, most of altcoins will rise up a lot. And I'll share with you 11 altcoins that I personally bought, and part of them still you have chance to buy right now. Let's go. Take a look. As you can see, yesterday on our TradingView, I published this idea, and as you can see, we published that idea into our Telegram. Take a look. That's the reason why I recommend you to follow me on Telegram, because all important updates about Bitcoin we also publish into Telegram. As you can see at this moment, everything looks that Bitcoin shows to us nearly same history that gold did it in 2020. As you can see, they also did that powerful uprise. Take a look even here, I would share with you. As you can see, nearly the same. As in gold, re-high, they made this trap for bulls after that powerful drop. After that, as you can see, they broke it up. Take a look, every candle on Bitcoin, they closed at high. It really shows to us that bears is weak. Also, as you can see, fundamental data that I published inside into our VIP room, VIP community. Take a look. As you can see, it shows to us what this data showed to us. The data shows to us accumulation of Bitcoins. As you can see, this number, it is Bitcoins, as you can see, wallets younger than 3 months. As you can see, wallets younger than 3 months selling Bitcoins. Here, as you can see, it is wallets older than 3 months. As you can see, they accumulated Bitcoins. That means, what does it mean? That the huge possibility uprise is not finished yet. That's the reason why I share with you this lesson, because I do this introduction to you to understand why I bought coins on spot, because it is not just because I just want to buy, because there are huge possibilities that uprise will happen. Let's go. By the way, if you enjoy such knowledge that I share with you, push like, share, and write a comment. Do you like such update about Bitcoin? Because I think sometimes to record separate video only about Bitcoin update at least once per month or per week, but it's important to see your feedbacks about that. That's why. Take a look. First coin, it is a reef. Reef, as you can see inside in this beautiful range. Reef, if you would open lower time frame, you would see the reef broke. It looks that reef soon will break this range, especially if reef will come back to this range border. It would be amazing entry. Let's open it. Take a look. If reef will do this beautiful squeezing up and break out, that could be beautiful uprise. As you can see, price inside in this range. If you would compare this coin to, for example, like China, this Anchor, you would understand that even from this local price, there possibility at least for 5x, or especially to take a look to all-time high from ICO there. As you can see, 700%. There's so much room for uprise. That's the reason why we bought it inside in our VIP room. Second one, ANT. Take a look. ANT retested this big range, big value area. Take a look on all of this. And we bought nearly that key levels that I showed to you on this chart. And take a look. From its local high, it dropped by 33%. That means, my friends, I bought with 50% discount. At this moment, yes, you have 40% discount if you will buy it right now. The next one, it is a CRV. Take a look how CRV bounced from this trend line. And for me, it looks, if CRV will break this range, there could be, like, take a look. We have space to its all-time high, we have 700% to its all-time high. Even if there would be like 200%, my friends, it would be amazing result. And if Bitcoin will do that uprise, possibility for such a percent really huge. Trusted wallet, it is a Binance project, by the way. And I think, as you know, most of project by Binance, they explode. Imagine that it is their high and it's only at this moment 65 cents. Most of our VPRO members bought in this area 55 cents. Still good price. And if there would be this range breakout, I think there could be at least double, triple, like triple. I think it would be minimum. But because if you would compare it with Binance BNB price, SFP. Remember, I recorded about SFP. SFP didn't do a reload, but still, if SFP will break this triangle, there also could be beautiful uprise. There could be something like here. If we would do it, it was a first wave up, and there would be like a second wave up. That means there could be uprise at least to 6 USD. That means it is far more than doubled, 160%. Still, it is huge profit. Bezer RX, my friends, we bought, most of our VPRO members bought in this range. And take a look here. Bezer RX, as you can see, exactly bounced to this trend line. Also, Bezer RX made 50% pullback discount. I call it discount, 50% discount. At this moment, Bezer RX, to be honest, a little bit cost far more than other coins, but still take a look where it's all-time high. Nearly all coins in this cycle rose up to all-time high. If you would buy here, you would potential profit would be 200%. From this place, you still have 117%. Bell, take a look how Bell bounced from this trend line. Take a look, especially to its all-time high, there are 385%. If you would be in VPRO, there would be potential profit 500%, because many of our VPRO members bought here. Hard, take a look. Hard, we bought at this key level, and take a look at this moment. Price up only, as you can see, 26% from my entry point, but still you have chance, because take a look from this high. We had discount 59%. At this moment you have discount 47. Trophy, as you can see, retested nearly very close to this key level. From its all-time high at this moment, it was 56% discount, and still good place to open buy position, because if there would be, especially if price will come to this key level, there could be Lina, at this moment, Lina maybe shows the best result beyond all coins that I bought on spot, because I bought it yesterday in this range. And take a look how they broke this huge trend line down. Take a look, it is exactly at bottom. It cost only 9 cents. And the huge possibility, take a look, my friend, even to its previous high, it is 90%. I think that worth, and as you can see, TLM, take a look this range, and also take a look what price broke from this local high. It is 79% discount. At this moment, it is 70% discount. We bought yesterday inside this level, because take a look. Why I tell you that I share? Because I've sent all my trades inside into our VIP room. And if you want to be first that receive updates from me, you just need to join VIP room. Also, my friends, I ask you to push like, subscribe, because it's valuable update. If you enjoy it, subscribe and write what I can do better in the future that you would like to enjoy our content. Thank you for your time.